Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to showing you how to write a script for YouTube video making using ChatGPT. This might be use case that you are not familiar with. I hope it can really help you out. It's very easy to do. A video script is a written document that's outline the dialogues, actions, and other visual and auditory elements of a video production. It serves as a blueprint for the video and provides a clear roadmap for everyone involved in the production process, including the directors, producer, actors, and crew. Writing a good video script requires a combination of creative storytelling, effective communication, and attention to detail. The script should capture the audience's attention and convey a clear message while staying within the constraint of the video's length and format. Now I'm going to showing you how to write script with ChatGPT. I open the ChatGPT here. First, I want to take some suggestion from ChatGPT. Like I want to know how to write a video script for YouTube. Writing a video script for YouTube involves a few key steps to ensure that your content is engaging and informative for your viewers. Here are some general tips to consider. Like first one, define your purpose. Number 2, plan your structure. Number 3, to write your script. Number 4, revise and edit. Number 5, edit visual and cues. Number 6, practice and record. So what I'm gonna do, give outline of font for video script. It can be more clear. Sure, here is a possible outline for a video script about fonts. Like here, introduction included, start with a hook to grab the viewer's attention, such as surfing status or an intriguing questions, like the introduce the topics of the video fonts. And the second one, then the explain why fonts are important and relevant to the viewer's life. Then number 2, history of fonts. Number 3 can be benefits and fonts. Number 4 can be drawbacks of fonts. Number 5, future of fonts. And number 6 can be conclusion about it summarize the main points of the video with a call to action, such as asking viewers to share their own thought on fonts or subscribe to the channel for more content. What I'm gonna do now, I do write a script based on above outline. Here is a possible script based on outline provided earlier. Is like we saw that here about the introduction. So what can be like, hey there, did you know that the first mobile phone was invented in 1973 and weighed over 2 pounds? That's just one of the fascinating facts about phone while being exploring in this video. Then about blah blah blah. Then next one, history of the phone. You can say phones have come a long way since their inception, and dash blah blah blah, you can say. Then next one, benefits of phone. Here the benefits of phone, here it's about all about here. And then next one, drawback of fonts. And then next one, to future of fonts. And the down on conclusion. In conclusion, is our phone I have come a long way since their inception, and they continue to play an essential role in our lives, and blah, blah, blah. You can say into of the script. So what can you say about the phone? What do you think? Our phone are blessing or cures? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. It could be a script. We can say the different topics. Let's start. Write some idea of food for video script. Let's see. It will come. Well done. Here are some idea for a video script about food. Like first one can be top 10 superfood. It's about highlights 10 different food that are considered superfood due to their high nutritional value and health benefits. Provide information about each food's benefits and some easy recipe idea. Then number 2 can be how to cook with seasonal ingredients. Then number 3 can be the best foodies destination. Number 4 can be quick and easy meals prep. It's about share some meals prep tips and ideas for people who want to save time and still eat healthy meals. Provide some easy to follow recipe and suggestions for on the goes. And number 5 can be the future of food. I stopped now and I'm going to select the top 10 superfood, my titles or idea. So what can I do now? I can do outline of, I paste here. Well done. Here a script based on the idea of top 10 superfood is about here. So we can see there is a script. It's a welcome to our video on the top 10 superfood that you should include your diet. Superfood are nutrient rich food that offer numerous health benefits and blah blah blah. You can, and superfood briefs here you can see. Then here superfood leaf grains and superfood salmons and nuts and seeds and avocado, and superfood can be beans and legumes, and superfood dark chocolate. And number 10 can be green tea, and that's just here is the, so you can say about that. And last the end of the script you can say that is our list of the top 10 superfood that you should include in your diet. Incorporating this food into your meals can help improve your overall health and well-being. Which of these superfood is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Yeah, here is a script about the food. It's very easy to write a script with the ChatGPT. I think it will help you very much to write any script for your YouTube channel. ChatGPT is amazing AI writing tools. If you don't have access to this, I recommend that you go to try it out. It's free research preview right now, which doesn't cost anything. While it's better, I urge you to go try it out. Thank you for watching this video.